welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. As we enter 2026, the K-pop and K-drama land kept buzzing with a lot of happy news, gossip, scoop, and a lot more. BTS finally confirmed its comeback date, and Ardor removed Daniel from New Jeans. In case you missed out on all that happened, we got you sorted. Here's everything that made news in the past 7 days. Armies rejoice. BTS is coming and we finally know when. The OT7 announced their comeback date and the fans are having a meltdown. By the way, many say it is also BTS's way to wish us New Year. Take a look. Jin, J-Hope, Suga, RM, Jimin, V and Jungkook are just weeks away, if not months, from making the hugely awaited comeback as a full group on stage in 2026. ARMYs woke up to the massive announcement on January 1st as Big Hit Music confirmed their comeback on March 20th, 2026. This came soon after all the social media handles of BTS went empty as all the previous posts were either deleted or archived. It was also hours after the 7 members rang in the new year together with the ARMYs during a Weverse live. In fact, we had in a recent live even teased that BTS might make a stopover in India during their upcoming world tour. Though nothing has been confirmed, V's tease was enough to send the Desi fans in a meltdown. Ardor made the shocking announcement that it has removed Daniel from New Jeans, claiming breach of contract. The label has also filed a $32 million damages claim against her. Here is a report. Daniel Marsh exited New Jeans after Ardor's sudden decision blew up the K-pop industry. On December 29th, in a surprise announcement, HYBE's subsidiary label said it has terminated Daniel's exclusive contract, citing breach and paving way for her removal. Ardor even filed a lawsuit seeking contractual penalties and damages totaling $32 million. While reports claim Ardor took the step after Daniel signed some endorsement deals outside her contract, others claim the singer was not even given prior information by Ardor, leaving the internet divided. The case is possibly the largest civil lawsuit money-wise claim in the history of South Korea's entertainment industry against a 20-year-old artist. Billboard announced its K-pop Artist 100 ranking of 2025 and 17 has swept the list with all its 13 members grabbing the top 13 slots. Take a look. 17 has swept Billboard's K-pop Artist 100 ranking of 2025 with all 13 members occupying the leading 13 positions. This is a rare feat for any band to grab all top slots. Blackpink member Rose is only the next artist from another group to appear in the ranking at number 14. Her collab song APT with Bruno Mars elevated her to the position of one of the most sought-after idols this year. Next in line in the 2025 K-pop Artist 100 are all 5 members of TXT. BTS makes an appearance at number 20 with Jin. According to stats, Billboard Korea compiled the ranking in partnership with Billboard. The rankings are based on each artist's achievements from October 2024 to September 2025. Former NCT member Tail is bound to serve 3 years 6 months in prison for aggravated rape after South Korea's Supreme Court rejected his final appeal. Tail will need to serve the jail term previously given to him by the lower court for aggravated rape. South Korea's Supreme Court rejected the final appeal submitted by the singer and his 2 accomplices. In June 2023, Tail, with 2 acquaintances identified as E and Hong, were accused of sexually assaulting an intoxicated foreign woman who was incapable of resistance. Following the case, Tail was removed by SM Entertainment from NCT. In July 2025, the lower court sentenced Tail to 3 years and 6 months in prison and ordered his immediate detention. BTS member V turned 30 this week, and the occasion was a global celebration for ARMYs. In fact, the things that his fan base did were beyond measure. It was a happy Taeyong day for ARMYs as BTS's beloved member celebrated his birthday on December 30th. To ensure his turning 30 was memorable, fans went out of the way to send him love. While V's Chinese fan base gifted him an entire plane, the K-pop idol's global fan community bought him a corner in the Palace of Versailles. The tallest Ferris wheel in Europe, the sun of Moscow, also turned purple and green for Taeyong. A massive 118-meter tall screen in Shenzhen, China, also lit up with a fan-organized ad project for his birthday. Even his bandmates kept dropping videos and photos to wish V the entire day. Former Big Bang member Top is making a full-fledged music comeback with a brand new solo album. Top played the fan-favorite character of Thanos in Squid Game Season 2. Top, aka Chae Seong-hyun, is set to make his much-anticipated music comeback with a new solo album in 2026. After months of teasing, Top finally made the announcement through a video on Instagram. He shared a clip that shows him writing on paper the name of the album, Top Slot Another Dimension. The rapper, who played Thanos in Squid Game Season 2, left his K-pop group Big Bang following his drug abuse case in 2017. But after his anti-hero performance in the Netflix show received huge praise, fans started demanding his return to music. The 2025 Soulcon Open Star Awards announced its big winners at a glittering ceremony. IU and Lee Junho emerged big winners. The Seoulcon Open Star Awards celebrated the best in South Korean drama across broadcast, cable, OTT and web platforms this year. The awards honored dramas aired between November 2024 and October 2025. While IU walked away with the grand prize, also called Daesang, for her show When Life Gives You Tangerines, 2PM member turned actor Lee Junho received Top Excellence Award Actor in a mini-series for his hit project Typhoon Family. Cha Eun-woo received Best Entertainer Award. Lee Jae-min, Kang Yoo-sok and Ha Young grabbed the New Actors honors. The ceremony was hosted by actor Kim Seong-woo and broadcaster Park Sang-yoon. Cat's Eye's Lara Raj visited her Chennai home and the trip was loaded with simple joys like South Indian food, exploring local markets and temple visits. Lee Min-ki had last week chosen South India's Kerala as his vacation destination. He even posted several photos and videos from his relaxing trip. Soon after, Cat's Eye member Lara Raj was also seen soaking in the warmth of her home when she visited Chennai, giving fans a delightful glimpse into her trip through a series of Instagram stories. The pop star, who has been making waves internationally, appeared visibly excited as she shared moments from the city. From playful selfies to serene temple visits, Lara's Chennai diary won hearts of her fans who got reminded of her strong connection to her Indian roots despite becoming a global star. Kim Se-ron's posthumous film Everyday We is heading for a release. The film also stars Bon Appetit Your Majesty's breakout star Lee Jae-min. The makers unveiled a teaser poster of Everyday We along with confirming its release in February 2026. Though the exact date is yet to be decided, the first look has intrigued fans, leaving many emotional about one of Kim Se-ron's last projects. Everyday We is based on the popular webtoon of the same name and also marks the movie debut of Lee Jae-min. It reportedly portrays a fluttering love between the lead pair that begins just as friendship ends. Kim Se-ron died at the age of 24 in February 2025. Fans finally got to see the first glimpse of their favorite stars IU and Byung-woo Suk in the teaser of their upcoming show, Perfect Crown. Perfect Crown is their next projects after When Life Gives You Tangerines and Lovely Runner, respectively. Perfect Crown is turning out to be one of the most anticipated K-dramas of 2026, and judging by its teaser, it brings a sparkling chemistry between its leads. Previously titled Wife of a 21st Century Prince, the show romantically teams up IU and Byung-woo Suk for the first time. While Ayu plays a Shabal Iris deemed a commoner, Woo Suk plays a royal prince. The story follows their characters and how their destinies change when a prince meets a commoner, pushing them to forge a marriage plan. The show has been in the making since 2025 and is expected to release in second half of 2026. And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment related updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. A happy new year and bye-bye.